How to add SoundCloud music to your Discord status. So if you want to add SoundCloud music to your Discord status, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then you need to go with search and search for Premium Download. After that, you need to go with Chrome Web Store and you need to install the extension. So go with Add to Chrome, which will be on the right side, and then go with Add Extension. Just wait for a few seconds till it adds the extension. Once done, you'll get this kind of interface. Go with Get Started. And you need to connect your Discord account. So go with Connect with Discord. After that, keep scrolling. Go with Authorize. And that's it. You've successfully connected. Right. And once you've connected, you need to go back and you need to now open up the SoundCloud. And make sure that you've logged into your account on your SoundCloud. Once done, open up your Discord. Refresh. And on your SoundCloud, you need to go and search for a music. You need to search for a copyright-free music. Once done, you need to go with your extensions, which will be in the top right, and then click on Premium. Go with Open Extensions page, or just simply scroll down a bit, and then here you will have your SoundCloud option. Click on SoundCloud, and then make sure all of the options are turned on. Now you can go with the music, play the music for a few seconds, and this will show up in your Discord status. Another way is to simply go with your Microsoft Store, and then we need to just simply go and search for SoundCloud. Now, if you have SoundCloud available in your region, then you just need to simply click on it and then download SoundCloud. After that, open your Discord, go with user settings, which will be on the bottom. And from the user settings, you need to just simply scroll down a bit, and then you'll find an option of registered games. If you don't find it on your browser, you can also go with your application and then find the registered games option. Once you find the registered games, you need to click on it and then just go and enable the Microsoft Store. And that's it. That's how you can easily connect SoundCloud to your Discord account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.